So basically, what we're doing here, we're welding all this new flooring we put here all together. It's gonna take a couple hours, but my boy, guys. The last video that y'all saw was literally, part of it was filmed today. Because this morning, of course, like 1:30 a.m. And now we're back in the shop and we're gonna finish up it up the floor and yeah. He's using a different welder, a new one. He originally was using this one, but now he's using this one right here. So this will be cool. And yeah. So you're not gonna weld it like 100%.
No. I don't want to heat it all up at one time.
Wait, so you...
Yeah, I want to move. I'm still welding a lot, but since I'm...
Wait, so you're not gonna weld that middle part there?
Yeah, I'm gonna weld it all, but I'm gonna do it a little bit at a time.
Okay.
If we go to welding this all, I'm gonna have it all warped up.
Yeah, I understand.
I'm doing a little bit more than usual just because of we're using a pulse between.
Yeah.
And we're using a 90-10 bottle mix.
Dang, my GoPro already lost 5%.
So, since we're doing that, I'm gonna try to do it. It seems like it's working better than normal. So, I'm gonna continue.
Yep. Let me show you guys what we did yesterday. So yesterday, you probably didn't know this, but we created this yesterday. This little piece here is to hold the seat back, and then this piece right here is for the seat belt, and then we did the same thing over there. And then after that, at around 12:30, we did this mount, and then at around 1:30, we did. I haven't seen this one yet. We did this mount here to mount this to stop it from moving. And yeah, so usually people with drag cars, they put in a lighter, like actual racing steering wheel. But we wanted to keep this one because it's the stock steering wheel that came with the car. When we got it in the woods, when it was in there for like 40 years. So. Oh, I should probably also add the photos that I got of what was in this trunk. There was a rope, there was an old shirt, ashes, and a hammer in this trunk once we opened it up.
I think these people killed the hippie herders. Well, part of it looks burnt. That looks like ashes.
And they took the fucking plates off, put them in the fucking trunk.
He bought a murderer's car. Someone killed a flower child. That's not very cool.
And those bullet holes here. I really wanted to keep these bullet holes, but since this kind of broke, like...
Yeah, I think we're gonna have to.
Yeah.
Go give me a thing of WD-40. That bottle of WD-40.
Yep. I literally used that WD-40 last video. I don't know. So why is it in this?
Okay, then give me one of those racks. Because I got a bigger bottle. Pour it here. I'm gonna oil this down, and maybe some of these sparks ain't gonna stick.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I get it. Yeah. Because when it sticks before it gets. Yeah, I understand that.
Okay.
Ooh, it's looking shiny.
Well, I think I'm gonna leave it.
The WD-40 makes it shiny.
Well, that's how it's gonna be because we're gonna clear coat all this.
Yeah.
And then it's all gonna look shiny.
But we need to clean that off right there.
What?
Right here.
Well, I don't know how we're gonna really clean that.
Scrub it with a harder rag with like soap and water.
Oh, okay.
So. Oh my God. Holy cow. Open. The time before last time, we put in the exhaust, you know, we put this in. The engine, that was pretty cool. This, so how this works is basically, this has a pin, so when this comes down, it gets locked, and the same with right here, and you know, on the other side and all this. This is gonna do this. It hits on this, so it causes it to be forward like that. So that's pretty cool. You know, got the pins here. Yeah, it's looking pretty nice. I like it. Oh, look. When do you get this? After so long.
Okay. Your video?
Oh yeah. So the flooring is done getting welded. All of the flooring, so that's good. And the seats are out. Now we're gonna take the car off the frame that was built by us. So yeah. That'll be...
Yeah. Okay, so now let's take the hood up. We're gonna take the hood off first. And we're gonna set it over here. We're gonna make a big pile of parts.
Big pile of parts. Okay, where am I gonna...
Okay, yeah. Okay, dude. What I need you to do is, okay, you're gonna have to hold it like this, okay? Go up, take that. Hey, the mile, you can't walk out. Just try to set the finger where it's straight up and down. Hey, set the finger down.
We need to take all these pieces off here. Same with over there. So then we can, you know, I'm gonna attach it.
Okay. Awesome. Okay, so these over there with these two. What?
Do you have two nuts?
Yeah, just go 2 doors down.
Oh look, we're not gonna have to get copyrighted.
Nope.
Wait.
Okay. this from here, and then this whole steering shaft will slide up.
I had like 30 hours on this and now I have 17. I need to...
Really useful.
Yeah, useful.
Okay, now we got that done.
There's so much gone. It looks so empty.
Now we are going to take these tack welds off. Third drawer, we'll put this in the 1/4-inch drill bits package.
Can't wait to take this thing off and see the frame.
This what you were thinking?
Well, yeah, I think.
Okay, so now we are good, like, pull this way, okay?
Oh yeah, that's nice. It's pretty cool.
Yep.
Gotta get the body. The frame. I'm doing this so we can take the photos from the video, like take photos from the videos for the.
What is it?
I'm doing.